Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete all messages on Discord DMs. I once opened an old Discord channel and realized it was full of messages I had sent over time, and manually deleting them one by one would take forever. So I looked for a faster way to clean things up. The method I try involved using a browser extension and a small script while running Discord and a web browser. First, I installed a script manager extension like Violent Monkey in Chrome. After that, I went to the script page and installed a tool designed to help manage message deletion. Once everything was installed, refresh Discord in the browser so the extension could activate. From there, the script adds a small option that lets you start removing your own messages from a channel or DM automatically. You can simply choose a channel, confirm the settings, and start the process. It then begins deleting messages in sequence instead of you doing it manually. Just remember that large message histories can take some time, so patience definitely helps while it runs. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.